Right, so you're looking for a bulk AI writer that allows you to write content like the one you see here. Bulk, right? You want to generate 100, 200,000, a million posts every single hour. You can do so with this one. It's called Journalist AI. Just go to tryjournalist.com and you have access to it. Let me just show you how it works. So first things first is, again, these are the articles. You can just click here, post them one by one to your integration, right? You can manually, or just click here, publish all, and you publish all three to your integration. By the way, your integration is anything you'd like. Essentially, just go here to integrations. Your integration can post to WordPress, Shopify, Ghost, Wix, Webflow, Blogger, even Zapier, or use an external API, right? But how do you actually get these posts generated? Just go here, generate articles, and you fill all this info in, select how many articles you want, and click generate. I'll go over all these ones in a second here, but if you want to go and take this even a step further, because previously you were going here, to generate articles, and you're clicking this manually, like publish, or even here, publish. This is all manual, and if you want to automate the whole process, just go here to Autoblogs, right? New Autoblog. And what this does is you can select how many articles you want to publish every month, weekday, 12 or 6 hours. So essentially what you're doing is you're connecting this AI, right, with your website, right? And it's generating, that's a G, plus publishing, in this case, 300 posts every day, all on autopilot done for you. So 300 posts, right? All of these posted on autopilot for you, essentially bulk. And if we expand on one of these posts right here, this is an individual article. All these will have, like just ones you saw, a featured image, a table of contents, right? Proper content structure with in-article images, in-article videos, bullets, tables, quotes, internal links, external links. So internal links, these will interlink between each other, of course, in a way that makes sense. Calls to action, all this done automatically for you on autopilot. Let me show you exactly how these work, but before I do so, let me show you again with a bit more calmness how these look like. So again, there's a featured image, there's your table of contents, which by the way is interactive. You click and go through the section. Intro section right here, featured image, proper content structure with some bolded words, bullets in this case here, quotes, there's external links right here, more in-article images, there's even videos right inside the articles that are relevant to what the article is about, more links here, internal and external links, all this again done with AI for you. And so yeah, these are all the ones, or this is how the articles look like. If you want to, edit them manually, just click here. But this is a video for bulk generation. But in case you want to make some changes, just go here, click create revision, and you can change around some part of the article. Maybe you want to add a link right here. Just do this and add your link right here. That's that, right? Maybe you want to make sure that these are bullets, right? You can make these be bullets, right? You can make, if you want, even make this an H3. You can play around with this, right? Essentially, it's an HTML editor. You can play around with this and edit them manually if you'd like, okay? But now, how do you bulk generate? Just go here to generate articles, and firstly, you select how many articles you want. Let's just do 300, for example, and then you fill all these in. You don't have to fill all of them, but the more you fill them, the better the output is, right? Videos, do you want videos in your articles? Yes, enable this. You can do it manually if you like, but I just like to do it automatically. Images, do you want images in your articles? Do you want featured images? Yes. Do you want in-article images? Yes. What type of images do you want? Stock photos, Google images, custom images, or AI images? If you do choose AI images, go here and you can prompt them, right? You want to make them realistic, cartoonish, black and white. You can play around with this. Again, if you just choose AI images, you can do this. You can set internal and external links. To set external links, just enable this. And what this will do is, in your article, there's going to be a couple of links, right, scattered out throughout, and we'll link out to external sources, authoritative sources in your niche. For example, if this article is about finance, we'll link out to Investopedia, Bloomberg, maybe TechCrunch, right, all these authoritative sources in your niche. In this case, it's a finance niche. You can set up some rules here to exclude some sites, force some sites to be included, but it's more advanced. There's videos on this on the channel if you want to check it out, but this just does it for yourself. Internal linking, just add in here a sitemap like so. You can preview the links. Internal linking essentially is links linking out to pages inside of your own domain. So again, these are all the pages in the sitemap. So again, the articles generated will have links, right? And these links will link out to your homepage, right? Maybe link out to your contacts page, maybe link out to a blog post of yours, maybe a product page, right? And you do this by just pasting in here your sitemap pretty straightforward. You can even add rules if you want. Structure, you can add a call to action. So you just paste in here URL. At the bottom of each article, there's going to be a dedicated section with a call to action to your product or to your service, depending on what URL you add here. But again, it's going to be a section dedicated to this call to action, right? Again, if this article is about gardening, talks about gardening tips, gardening supplies, down here, you're going to have a call to action to your gardening site. And all this, right, it's not going to be placed randomly in here, right? This whole paragraph, as well as the anchor text, which is the link you click on to go, is going to be contextual, in taking into account the whole context of the article. None of these is random or out of place. You can enable and disable all these different sections if you like, and you can also select the length of the article. Formatting, you can also change if you want bold words or not, if you want tables or not, you can play around with this. Knowledge, you can connect this to the web so that the article and the content there is up to date, which is pretty powerful. You can even connect your brand. You can create a brand. Essentially what you're doing real quick here is by connecting your brand, this is a brand right here, your brand has a bunch of assets, right? It's your WordPress site or your site, right? It doesn't have to be WordPress, your LinkedIn page, your YouTube channel, maybe even some text documents, some audio files. All these are what we call brand assets, right? And what you're doing is you're connecting journalist AI with your brand, so the AI knows as much as you do, you being the owner and founder of the brand, the AI knows as much as you do about your brand. So it's able to produce non-generic brand-tailored content, which is pretty powerful, with your brand's tone of voice, your brand's mannerisms, your brand's images. So just do this by adding your brand here. If you don't have one, just create one right here. Then content, you can select the language in which you want your content to be produced in. There's over 150 different languages, so if you're targeting international markets, that's pretty powerful. You can select the target country, which is quite nice as well. You can select the creativity level, right? Be more original or be more factual. You can change the tone of voice, also the point of view as such, and even add some custom instructions, which is quite powerful. And then right here, the base is where you select your generation mode. Do you want the articles to be generated based on the description? Do you want them to be generated based on keywords, right? Titles, or if you want to be more advanced, you can generate based on a keyword monitor. What a keyword monitor is real quick here is essentially go here, keyword monitors. I'm going to show you this one right here. You just add your site in, right? Add your target country, add your language, and we'll give you a bunch of keywords that you should be producing content for. Should, because they're low search volume, but decent still, and low SEO difficulty. So in theory, they're easy to rank for. And just take all these ones, right? Just go here to generate articles again, select the keyword monitor you want, right? My gardening site, and select the keywords you want to produce content for, and we're going to be producing content based on those keywords, right? Just go here down, once all is filled, select the articles you want and click generate. And that's it. That's how you bulk generate articles. If you don't want to be going here and skimming through 300 articles and clicking one by one, click next, publish, click next, publish. You can go here and click publish all. You publish all 3 in this case. If you don't even want to do this, you just want to have this on autopilot running in the back, just go here to autoblogs, set up an autoblog, as I just told you before, and select how many articles you want to be published every single month, weekday, travel 6 hours. This is exactly how you can do it. That's how this bulk AI writer works. I'll leave a link for this in the description, but it's called tryjournalist.com. Try it out. Let me know what you think. If you like it, let me know. If you don't like it, let me know as well. That's it. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.